It's day 5 of the Maharajas Express, and we're going to Khajuraho Temples, which are apparently covered in some very erotic illustrations of the Kamasutra. So we're very excited to learn about the art of love. So this temple is exactly 1070 years old according to our guide. It's been really well preserved, so you can still see all of the carvings and everything. Did you learn anything about the Kamasutra just now?
Oh yeah, there's 84 positions, and we were trying to figure out how many we know. We came up with 3.
I can't put that on the internet!
Wow.
Today is day 6 on the Maharajas Express, and we've come to Varanasi, which is one of the cities I was most excited to visit. We've just watched aarti on the River Ganges, which is the daily ceremony to say goodnight to the River Ganges.
I'm going to make a top secret wish. So I put this candle into the Ganges, and Mother Ganges will hopefully grant me my wish. So let's try.
It's day 7 on board the Maharajas Express, which means it's our last day. How do you feel?
Sad times, very sad. Alright, can we just go into the swing of things now?
Yeah.
Stay on it forever. Go round again.
I'm gonna miss just people greeting me every time I walk past them. That's what I'm gonna miss. What are you gonna miss?
Yeah, the food. John's food has been awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss John's though.
And rooming with you.
Oh, she's lying.
Yeah.
Stop 7 on the Maharajas Express is Lucknow, so we're going to go and explore the city a little bit. And right now we're going into the Asifi Mosque, we think. I don't know. Normally Jane the Geek is on hand to tell us everything, but today she doesn't know anything, do you, Jane?
No, I couldn't hear. I was up the back of the bus. I need to get a bit closer.
Excuses, excuses. How do you feel about Imam Bagar so far?
I am loving all of the original architecture and sculptures. This is one of my favourites.
Just dates back to the 9th century AD. Shall we go to the living? Fun fact about Amelia, she loves chandeliers.
Absolutely love it. I'm in my element today.
This was the British residency in Lucknow until the revolution in 1857 when it was all destroyed. So tonight is the last night on the Maharajas Express and we're all very excited.
I know.
Because we're getting, I mean, we can't even begin to open the packet, let alone put it on ourselves. But we're getting saris and I've got a very sexy red one.
And we get to take them home, which is just such a beautiful gift.
Yes.
I think it's incredible.
What's lovely is that Dash, our butler, chose the colours for us.
Hey, the boy did good.
Yeah, he knows what's what.
I know.
I'm impressed.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's exciting. Were you a model one?
What is he wearing underneath?
We got to wear saris.
They're so pretty. They're very unflattering for photos, but I feel like a princess.
They're flattering for real life though.
Yeah, in real life I feel so pretty.
In real life we look gorgeous. In photos, no. Blobs.
I look like a blob.
Colourful blobs.
Try again.
What, obviously aside from spending all of your time with me,
Yeah.
has been your highlight of the Maharajas Express?
The food, I think, it has actually been really good, hasn't it?
Jon Snow's food.
The food is awesome. Real taste of India. The bar, the staff, and Dash, our butler, valet, he's amazing. And how surprisingly easy it has been to sleep.
Yes.
Because I genuinely thought I'm going to struggle here, but it's been great.
We love our room, we love our butler Dash, we love our towel animals every night, and we love the Maharaja Express. And we love Jon Snow. Other than meeting me, what has been your highlight of this week on board the Maharajas
Meeting me,
Express?
obviously.
Well, the
Forget
Amelia
it.
and Emily combo was a big one. Hard to fathom how big that was. But on a serious note, I think the culture, the heritage, and the honesty of India. I don't think you find, I haven't found another country where the people are as authentic and as friendly. Everybody just wants you to feel at home.
Yeah.
Everywhere you go, there's
Yeah.
trumpets playing and drums. It's crazy, and they just want tourists to really feel at home here.